All right, let's get this done. Let's see, we have 2,000 milligrams. I put that over 1. I multiply it by milligrams, has to go on the bottom, grams on top. There is 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So if I go milligrams is gone, 2,000 divided by 1,000 is 2 grams. So my answer is 2. 8 millimeters over 1 multiplied by, it's a two-stepper. We didn't do these yet in class, but we'll do it tomorrow. Where is undo? There's undo. Excuse me, millimeter goes on the bottom, meter on top. There's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. I'm not done because I need to get to centimeters. And I have meters on the bottom, or meters on top, meters has to go on the bottom, and then I need to take it to centimeters. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Excuse me, meters goes away, centimeters is the only thing left. So it's 8 times 100, which is 800, divided by 1,000, which would be 0.8. All right. Yep, 0.8 centimeters. Put that in your calculator. All right, here's an easy one. Whoops, 104 kilometers. Put that over 1. Kilometers on the bottom, so I can cancel it, and I'm going to meters. There is 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. 104 times 1,000 is 104. It's a comma. 104,000. All right, these are when we're going to 2 different prefix. And again, these are the ones I need to do tomorrow in class. I'm going to go 198 milligrams over 1. Milligrams goes on top, grams goes on, milligrams goes on the bottom, grams goes on top. There's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And now milligrams goes away. I've got to get rid of grams and go to kilograms. Just a 2-step problem, don't freak out. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So it's 198 on top and then 1,000 times 1,000 on the bottom. So put that in your calculator. It's a couple of steps. You're going to get, it's going to be hard to write in there, 1.98 times 10 to the negative 4th kilograms, which is super small, right? It's a big decimal. Let's see, that would be 0.000198. Yep, and that'd be kilograms. Your calculator might run it into there. 480 centimeters over 1 is 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Centimeters goes away, divide by 100, 4.80 meters. All right, I threw a fastball at you. Let's see if we can do it. We take 75 kiloliters. Let's take that to liters. So there's 1,000. Whoops. See, even I screw up once in a while. There's 1 kiloliter to 1,000 liters. Kiloliter goes away. Now I've got to get rid of liters and get to decaliter. And there are 10 decaliters in 1 liter. It's an L, believe it or not. And so it's 75 times 1,000 times 10 all over 1. Which I should have been able to do in my head. This turns into 7.5 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 75 750,000 deciliters. Deciliters are small, kiloliters are big. That's why it should be that. All right, a couple more here. We'll call it a day. 5.6 kilograms over 1. 1 kilogram has 1,000 grams. 5.6 times 1,000 is 5,600 grams. And now we have one last two-stepper. 5.6 centimeters. We'll take centimeters to meters. 100 centimeters. You know what? I haven't been crossing out my units because I'm trying to go fast. Sorry about that. And 1 meter. And now I've got to get rid of meter and get that to kilometer. So it's 5.6 divided by 100 multiplied by 1,000. 5.6, I might have said multiply, should have been divided by that number. What just happened? And you should get 5.6 times 10 to the -5th kilometers. So centimeters are small, kilometers are big. It should be a really small number, and it is. If your calculator doesn't do scientific notation, I believe this should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 0.00056. For some reason, there's a hidden thing there. That's the last one. Woo woo, woo woo.